The first thing a thief does after stealing your iPhone, turn on airplane mode. But here is the iPhone setting that can stop that from happening. Go to the settings on your iPhone and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode now, then scroll down to Allow Access when locked section. This section controls all the features that people can access while your iPhone is still locked. Now, find Control Center and turn it off. Because if Control Center stays on, anyone can swipe down on your locked iPhone and mess with airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cell data, and more. And once airplane mode is enabled, it becomes much harder to call or track your iPhone immediately. So turning this off adds an extra layer of protection if your iPhone ever gets stolen. And before someone says, yeah, but they can still turn the iPhone off, that's true. But if you enable Find My iPhone and Find My Network, Apple says supported iPhones can still be located for some time, even after they are powered off or offline. To enable it, go to the settings again on your iPhone, then tap on Your Name, then Find My. After that, Find My iPhone. Then turn on Find My iPhone, Find My Network, and also send last location. This is one of the most important iPhone security settings you should change right now. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.